You searched how to buy shares of Ovintiv Inc., a North American oil and gas exploration and production company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OVV, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OVV to find Ovintiv Inc. Choose the listing that displays Ovintiv on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will find a short company summary and a live price chart for context. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to make sure this is the right Ovintiv Inc. listing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio and holdings list. For the exact steps shown here, see the link in the description.